do the first time setting. So right now is 7:15 p.m. Okay, set day. Today's Saturday. Done. Okay, so we have right now we have a heat mode and it's 70 degrees, so I'm gonna leave it at that at this point. Oh, actually, we're gonna go through the Wi-Fi setting now. To do that, I need to install app. Go into my Play Store, Honeywell, and we're choosing this one with the 72 degrees Total Connect Comfort. Installing. Open. But first I think I jump ahead of myself. Let's see what the page 10 says. Connecting to my home network, and I have select one of the following buttons based on the messages shown. Connection success. Congratulations, you're almost done. Register. To register your device, make sure you don't lose this piece of paper with the numbers listed over here. Now to complete the registration, they send you a message. Verified device. Go to your thermostat on the wall, set the heat, set point to 67. 67. I have changed the thermostat setting. Submit. Registration in progress. Thermostat registration successful, and it actually responded basically at the same time on my phone and on the wall thermostat. So that's it, and I can see my thermostat from the website, and I can, let's see if I can change it to 67 heat. Submit. Let's see how fast it's gonna go. Yeah, it's like 5 seconds. Change it to 69. Submit. Wow, it's right there, and the heater kicked in. So it's not even 5 seconds. Right now 68 degrees inside the house. Outside temperature showing 47 degrees. Heat on. Everything is working. So now I just need to go through the additional setting, because as you can see right now I have my system at heat. So now the feature that I need to find right now to unlock. See, right now I have heat, off, cool, and heat. It doesn't have the auto setting, so I need to find that on my menu. So to enter the settings, all you have to do press the fan button and up at the same time and hold it for right here, and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. We got it. So the select system 0 is heat and cool. That's what I have. We go to the next one. Oh, next. Next is 3, heating fan control. Heating fan, I have a gas and it's 0, so we're good here. Heating cycle 5, gas oil furnace. That's what I have. 12. 0, it's manual, so I want to change it to 1. 1 is basically you just follow that, which is really easy. Just follow the manual. 1 is, that's what I need. Next one is 13. It's a smart response technology. Right now it's on. We'll see how it's gonna go. Maybe I need to change it. Maybe I need it to not to be so smart. We'll see how it goes. 14, 0 is Fahrenheit, or you can have Celsius. We'll stick with the Fahrenheit right now. 16 is schedule. Program schedule is off. Actually, I don't need schedule, so some people use that. I don't. We just have a like if somebody go to work, come from work, not a useful option for me. So I changed it to schedule option off. 36, 52 is the thermostat. That's what it is. You can have a different. I guess that's the device name. It's a thermostat. I'm cool with that. 38 Wi-Fi 1, Wi-Fi on. Yes. 39 connected to Wi-Fi. Yes. 90 restore original setting. 0 definitely, because if I press 1 it goes back to restore original setting. So we're done here. And right now I have a system heat 67, auto off, and cool. So here's the thing that I did not see, and I look at a few videos about this, and all I found out that when you set your system to auto, it should have at least 3 degrees between the cool temperature and the heat. Right now looks like I have 11 degrees, but let's say I decided to go, right now heat is set to 67 and my AC I would set, hypothetically speaking, to 68. It will not work like that. It has to have at least 3 degrees between heat and cold. So let's say I have set up my right now temperature is 69 and I set up my AC to turn on at 69. It will not turn on until it reaches 70, and same way when it's gonna go down. So So my heated is 67 right now. I probably need to actually go to and change to maybe 69. We'll see how it's go, because each thermostat or thermometer actually read a little bit different number. So for example, my old one right now showing that I have 70 degrees in my room. This one is 69, and I think 69 is more accurate. When we checked before, this showing a little bit different number, but it's not that big of a deal. I'm not really even showing 671 right now, maybe because my hand is too close. So I'm gonna have to adjust a little bit. We see. I don't really. It doesn't really matter for me how accurate this thing is. We're just gonna have to adjust, and 1 degree is not that much of a difference. So right now we're gonna stick with the 69 degrees heater, and cool 78. Obviously that's too much. We don't like that. I like to be a little more comfortable. Set it to 73, maybe 74. So now when I have my AC to kick in, if the temperature for some reason, definitely not in November as it is right now, it will not get there. But a heater 69, we'll see if we're gonna have to change it, and I leave it at 69. Fan at auto, Wi-Fi is on, and my app working fine, and so far it wasn't that hard to install. So I hope this video gonna be useful for someone.